Hello friends, in this video we will see how to draw a chemical structure with the help of a free software. So for this purpose I will be using ACD ChemSketch. So here is the Google window. You can directly type ACD ChemSketch and it will take you to ACD Labs page. From there you can download the software and you will be having these three different files. You will go in the install and you will install it. Then in the program files, you will see three options: 3D Viewer, ChemBasic and ChemSketch. Among that, we have to choose the ChemSketch, and when you will open ChemSketch, you will be in such kind of view where you can draw the structure, right? So I'm opening a new file and here we will see how to draw chemical structure. So for that purpose, we need to have certain cyclic structures, right? And we need to have some atoms. So on the left side of this software or on this window, there are different atoms, and the additional atoms which are not presented here can be seen in this additional dialog box. On the right side, there are various options. You can see the various cyclic structures. In addition to that, if you will choose this box which is on the upper side, so various chains, cycles, various carbon containing groups, then some miscellaneous, that is non-carbon containing functional groups, amino acids, and some protecting groups are provided. If we need, you can add those also. And on the lower side, you can choose your own templates. You can save them and those can be even used while drawing the structures. So on the upper side, you can see that on the first one there is file, edit, pages, tools. These options are there, and below that there is drawing, structure, then there is copy paste, file, open file, then there is eraser, redo, undo, and enlargement. So these options are provided. Below that there is having the different notations for drawing a single bond. Then in addition to that we have option to draw continuous bond. Then we can show the stereomeric options also. The stereo bonds can be drawn, the angles, all these various notations are there which you can see step by step. So let's start with a simple molecule, that is your acetyl salicylic acid, or aspirin you can say. So for that purpose we need a benzene ring. So we got it from this right side and we will click it here. So the aromatic ring is drawn. Now I will just enlarge the size so that you will have a better view. Then now we need to add a COH group. So for that purpose we can go in this box and we can directly choose the carboxylic acid group from here. It is chosen and we have to add it here, so I just clicked it. So you can take it from these additional templates or radicals, or you can also draw it by using the given the bonds. So the next one, that is the acetoxy group, I will show you how to draw. So it will be at the second place. So I will be first drawing a single bond, then the next consecutive bond, then there will be single bond. If we have to draw a double bond, I will click on the already available bond, so it will get converted into a double bond. Then now I have to add the oxygen atom, so I will choose oxygen from here, and at this place I will be adding the carboxylic oxygen atom, and for acetoxy I have to add one more oxygen here. So in this way the structure can be drawn. If we want to redo, we use this undo option. We can even use the eraser to erase out the things if we don't want to keep the changes. So in this way the structure will be drawn. And next few more things are there which are helpful to us, like certain times it is difficult for us to predict the IUPAC structure, name of a structure. So for that purpose we can take help of the software. We will go in tools and there is this option generate. Then we will click name for the structure and it will generate name for the structure, that is 2-acetyloxybenzoic acid. Similarly, in the tools we are having options to generate stereo descriptors, smile notation, inkai for structure. To generate the smiles notation, we will choose the smiles, and it has helped us to calculate the smile notation. So in this way we can draw the structure as well as we can generate their names. Similarly, in these tools, we are having a last option, that is calculate. So here we are having different options to be calculated, and for example, we select all properties. So it is giving us various calculated properties like molecular formula, then formula weight, composition, molecular refractivity, molar volume, paracore, index of refraction, various other parameters can be calculated with the help of this software. So this is about ACD 3D viewer also, and which will help you to convert this structure into a 3D form. So for that purpose, you need to go into the ACD labs, you will open the 3D viewer, and your structure will be transported into 3D format. And yes, here you can see it as a, ball and stick model. You can even go for the sticks model, and then there is also option for the wireframe model. So whatever representation you want, you can use it, and you can accordingly paste these images, or you can save this file as different formats, like you can save it as mol format, you can save in the image format like BMP, GIF, or JPEG format, PNG format, and these can be used for your presentation or for your report writing. So thank you for joining for this video, and enjoy your learning.